This is 2.1.11. Define the Boolean operators and, or, not and, not or, and exclusively or. Boolean operators. So Boolean operators determine the binary outcome when operating on variables, so that it inputs variables through the function and determines with Boolean algebra whether the output is true or false. The common Boolean operators are and, or, not and, not or, and XOR, which will be discussed in this presentation. It is used by the computer to determine whether a signal should be switched on or off depending on the variable passing through a specific operator. Firstly, the AND operator. The AND logic gate has two inputs and one output. The two inputs in the table on the right are A and B, and the output is Q, and it is used to determine whether an output signal should be switched on if both inputs are 1, and if the output has any 0, the output is false. So as you can see on the table, the output is only true if both inputs A and B are both 1. The OR operator. So the OR logic gate has two inputs and one output as well. The OR logic gate looks at both inputs and determines if any of them has a 1. And if any input has a 1, then the output is true. Yet it'll only output false if both inputs are 0, as shown by the truth table on the right. So in contrast to other logic gates, the NOT gate only has one input and one output, and it outputs the reverse of the input that is passed through the gate. So the NOT gate looks whether an input signal is there or not, and outputs the reverse. So for example, as seen on the table on the right, if there is a 0 as an input, it becomes a 1, and vice versa. If there's a 1 as an input, it becomes a 0. The NOT AND gate allows for two binary inputs and one binary output, and it is the reverse of the previously explored AND gate, such that no current is outputted if both inputs are 1. So if any of the two inputs contain a 0, the output becomes true and produces a current or signal, but if any one of the outputs have a 0 in them, the output is true. The NOT OR gate allows for two binary inputs and one binary output, so it is similar to the NOT AND gate such that it is the reverse of the OR logic gate, where the output is 1 only if any of the inputs does not contain a 1. So as displayed in the truth table on the right, the output Q is only true, and it only outputs a signal if any of the two inputs A or B has a 0. Yet if they are both true or both 1, then the overall output Q will be 0. The XOR gate allows for two binary inputs and one binary output. So as the name suggests, the exclusively OR gate only outputs a true signal if it follows an exclusively OR relationship between the two inputs that are passed through the gate. So this means that the two inputs must be different, and this is the only possible way to output a 1. So now there's some questions to recap 2.1.11. So the first question is, which operator only has one input? The answer would be the NOT operator. Second question is, which operator does this truth table on the right represent? So it would be the exclusively OR operator, since the output is only true if both inputs are different. The third question is, again, which operator does this truth table on the right represent? And it will be the NOT AND operator,